let me know. Cause I do well for myself. Nothing you do is extraordinary. Taxing on my mental health.
يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك أنت نور الله.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time. I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my life.
I know everything will be alright. I'll be here waiting, I promise I'm changing. I just need time.
So this is my hijab tutorial. Now I'm not gonna cut it, I'm not gonna, well, anyways, so usually you need an undercap. Now this can be a tie back or a square, doesn't matter. And I always wear chiffons. I don't know why, it just like defines my personality. I'm just joking. Okay, so anyways, you want to put it on your head and kind of relax it. This is gonna be like a relaxed hijab tutorial. And then you get the insides of it to where it covers your neck. Like just pinch anywhere, it doesn't need to be anywhere precise. And pin it in place. And just get this part and throw it over your shoulder, and this part and throw that one over your shoulder as well. And you have a little relaxed but yet covered lazy hijab.
ممثلي.
هذا انت حبيبي 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 عمري لك نصيبي نصيبي نصيبي.
هذا انت حبيبي
We're gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get all yeah, I need all I feel like I did too much.
José, y yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Después de las 12 salimos a buscar el party. Ando con los tigres, estamos en modo safari. Con un fue violento que parecemos estar y yo tomando vino y algunos fumando mari. La policía está molesta.